Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the Flora edition of Paper and Joy. This month for our craft we are making this little decorative window hanging. You might like it on your wall or maybe on a window or a mirror, something like that. So yeah, hopefully you like that. It's a window frame with some vines, birds and butterflies. Alright, so let's go and have a look what you get in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get a base bit of cardboard that I just used to stabilise the package, and you can use that for your gluing sheet if you like. You get the window frame base. You get two different types of paper for your birds and butterflies, so a plain colour and then a sort of a patterned colour as well. You get a piece of ribbon and a little hook to hang it up on. This little hook is one of those ones where you can take it off your wall and easily, and it shouldn't leave a mark. So the black side says wall side, so you stick that on the wall and then hold that for sort of 30 seconds in the mirror until a minute until it's stuck. Then take the blue sticker off and put the hook on there, and then when you want to pull off the hook, just pull your little tab and that should come off your wall. Okay, so this is an easy craft because we're just going to place the birds and butterflies where we'd like them. So you can do a selection. As you can see in the one I've done, I did plain colours for the birds and then some patterns and plains for the butterflies. So yeah, you can just place them where you'd like, how you'd like, and glue them on. I don't know where. So there's sort of different sized butterflies. There's some small ones and larger ones. The large ones down there, and I think up the top. So yeah, just size up sort of the cutouts. Until you find one that fits nicely. It's a little one. Where's the little butterfly? I think I've done that one. Oh no, up the top. It's small. And then you can just glue them in place. So there we go. Not too plain. Okay, so yeah, decide how you'd like them, which bits you want plain, which bits you want patterned, and then using your glue stick, just grab your pieces and start gluing. Oops, a bit thick. Okay, so I'm going plain birds and a mix of patterns and plain for my butterflies. And you can do what you'd like. So I thought this might be a nice little play on the Flora theme for the month. To have a nice bit of decoration around. It'd be nice to see where you guys hang it. Always love to see pictures. So feel free to send me pictures. I love it. Email, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, however you like to chat. I'm happy to chat. So last one, right up the top, and then there we go. So then we've got, I put a little hole in the top for you for your ribbon. So you just need to thread that through. You might need to just fold it a little bit in half to get it through the hole. It's a small hole. There we go. Okay. Just sort of get it, join the ends at the top. So you get the halfway, and probably about halfway down, tie a knot. And that allows you enough room to do a bow up the top, just to make it look pretty and sort of cover up the hook a little bit. It's a see-through hook, it's not so bad, but yeah, there we go. And if you need to trim the edges, but that's pretty even. Yeah, so then you can pop that on your hook when you hang it up, wherever you decide. Oops. I fumbled my fingers now. There we go. Oh, that'll be why it's upside down. There we go. So that just sits in the hook like that. All right. So there you go. There's your floral window for the month. Hope you enjoy that. I would love to see photos, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.